To turn on or turn off appliances and other flashing lights like microwave beeping, water running, and more in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, and then tap sound notifications. Tap settings, and then tap notification preferences. Scroll down on appliances and other, microwave beeping, and water running, and more. Tap flashlight switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Flashes the camera light to alert you. If you enable, camera will be flashes to alert you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.